see that? The red come up. Yeah, we have the road Elder Park. I'm going to put my hand in this because of the drop. So my people, they are at the road of Elder Park. Yeah, Bigsuper is on the ground. And we are looking on the early settings. Yeah, we're looking at the early settings. At the Candlelight. The viewers and so.
I'm a Bigsuper, I'm a real bastard thing. Without the money or nothing from what she say 110 move, you know, we have to move, you know. Cause general that time. We don't die, I go and hold it film and I go and light some candle and do we self aware, cause we have some candles I light and do we thing a little way film, cause I don't know. Father Washington, I don't know. Big up himself here, cause power to the world we say now, I don't know. Father Washington, man, I'm alone, man. When I no more money good like him, I tell her that. That is Washy himself. I don't know see Washy and say, Washy, beg your lunch money. Washy now give 100. Washy rather come give 1,000 and say, make it up and go cook a pot. He now give $100 or $200. That's why we love him. But God bless him soul and God go with him. Bless him peace in peace. Rest in peace, Washy. You don't know, I love you. But Bigsuper, big up yourself. 110, blessed, everything. Yes, Bigsuper.
Yeah, we are at the Rudolph Elder Park, my viewers and sub, and we're looking at the early settings at the Candlelight, and we see where them rising up the stairs, the platform for the councillor. Yeah, so Bigsuper is on the ground. Yeah. Music set out, vendors deck out, everybody is on the ground, the viewers and sub. I know a little more thing, yeah, little more, a whole lot of things I will go on the ground at the Rudolph Elder Park. So see stage of people, stage of look out to get ready for the Candlelight. Yeah. Yeah. So we are going to talk to one of the gentlemen on the ground. We have put the event together. St. Thomas event. Let me start the viewers and so we have St. Thomas. We have St. Thomas event out here with us. And St. Thomas event, just give him a minute. He might go give me some update. Yeah. Yeah. St. Thomas event. Good day, sir. Mr. Say you're busy for morning. Mr. Say you coordinate the event for the Candlelight later.
Yeah.
So tell me now what this event entails so far.
Well, right now we are doing a stage, you know, Washy big, you know, everything for Washy big, you know. Washy big.
Yeah.
Washy is a big man.
Yeah.
A big man at the town, a theme town.
Yeah.
So we have to do it big.
Yeah. Try that. Alright, we understand. That's St. Thomas event, people. And it's about here the #1 funeral service in St. Thomas. The viewers and stuff. So stick and stay, people. We will walk the grounds and talk the grounds. See if we can give you guys some early footage and what about to take place. Look more. Sound system is here. Vendor is here. People is here. What is the councillor, People's National Party councillor, so him support strong in a Morant Bay division. My viewers and sub, and Bigsuper is on the ground. We are walk the ground and we are giving early settings of what taking place on the grounds of the Sir Rudolph Elder Park. So Candlelight, so we are going to show you, we see them are full out some bags with sand because they are prepare themselves for the Candlelight later. I never see this type How you doing the Candlelight? You see, me never see them use this method here with the bag before. Yeah. Yeah, me never see you use this method here. So my viewers show it set up. So explain to me now with this method here. How it works.
Better idea when it's in the bag.
The better idea when it's in the bag.
Yeah.
Simple idea, man. The idea is that the wind will keep blowing out the candle.
Right.
So when it's in the bag, it not go blow it.
Yeah.
It don't get blown out.
It don't get blown out.
No.
So it's easy and simple as that.
See how here, sir.
Alright, so that people.
Yeah, man. Big up yourself.
Alright. And over here we have the supporters, them have a booth on this side here, and them do them cooking and thing, and them come for sure. Them support. A lot of vendors is on the ground. Yeah, a lot. No, me know you're not vendors. Me know that. Yeah, me know that. We're not supporters. Yeah. Yeah, man. So a lot of vendors is on the ground also, people. And think the people them quick to point out that them is not vendors. So them a cook for them crowd, because we expect a big turnout later on in the afternoon. So Bigsuper, we're on the ground. We're on the ground at the Sir Rudolph Elder Park, and we just look what's taking place. Everybody hide over there, so. Hey, Brit. We just look what takes place on the ground at the Sir Rudolph Elder Park. On the early settings at the councillor were passed and gone. May him soul rest in peace, my viewers and subscribers. Bigsuper is here, and we just walk through the grounds, and we just give you a early settings update. We just give you an early settings update for what taking place on here. We have a lot of vendor, and we have Rohan Washy Rohan Washy Bryan. Yeah, I pronounce him name right. And the former councillor passed and gone. And we have a Candlelight visual taking place on the grounds at the Sir Rudolph Elder Park. So we know that later the place I got buzz, and we suspect that Candlelight will go right through till the morning and all these things. Yeah. Yeah, man. And thing. And I know a crocus bag of people are going to turn out for the visual and thing. So we just step on the ground at the Sir Rudolph Elder Park. Bigsuper is here. Hello, nice lady. It's like you come out for the Candlelight, man. Wow. And thing. See the sign of people. Yeah. Right on the Sir Rudolph. Grounds at the Sir Rudolph Elder Park. And we just carry you through, and we will show you one of the projects where the councillor did instrumental in bringing out, yeah, the fountain, because the fountain was shut down for years, wasn't working, and I remember him get this fountain up and running, and thing. It's a pity that them now turn it on back to make you see it, yeah. But we are go right in the vicinity of the fountain, make you guys can see it. So it's an early settings out here on the grounds. Bigsuper is out here on the grounds, and we're right in the vicinity of the fountain. And we see them clean it up, so we get the impression them going to turn it on tonight. So you see it? It clean up and prepare. So we know that look more at the Candlelight, this fountain will be spraying on the grounds at the Sir Rudolph Elder Park. And the kids them over there enjoying themselves. Yeah, and Bigsuper is just making the walk, making the rounds on the grounds, just to show you the early settings at the Sir Rudolph Elder Park with the councillor the Candlelight visual we're going to take place a little more, you know, we anticipate, because the stage I put up, the stage management and everybody, I put up the stage, and we will carry you over to the park, we will carry you over to the pool, yeah, sorry about that, we will carry you over to the pool to show you, that's where we are going to end the early settings blog, to just show you the pool where one of the last project me and him did a talk about him, say Bigsuper, I really and truly want to see that project there get off the ground. Yeah, so I'm going to take you to that place and show you the pool, because him said that was him said Bigsuper, that come like my baby, you know, because a long time that pool shut down. Yeah, it's a long time the pool shut down and all these things. So we're right round to the sea coast. We're right down to the sea coast, my viewers and sub. And we are come round in the direction of where the pool is to show you where the pool is. And I don't know, hope anybody who take over now, take over the dream of him, can continue the pool. We have copyright. We have copyright in the area, people. Yeah, we have copyright in the area where the pool is, but we just have to see if we can go in it quick and show you where the pool is. So see to my viewers and sub, we're right in the vicinity of the pool. Remember to like, share, remember to subscribe, remember to turn on your post notification bell. Remember to watch out the ads, people. Bigsuper, with the early settings on the ground as the Sir Rudolph. Elder Park, we just walk around to show you the Candlelight for the passing councillor. Peace out, people. Peace out.